Hi, I'm Ella, Junior Business Analytics student here at the beautiful campus of UNC Charlotte. We'd love to tell you more about our sports analytics major.
Here at UNC Charlotte, we're the only university in the country to where we have undergrad and grad students provide analytical support to all 19 of our team sports. Let's meet some of the interns.
Hi, I'm Josh.
I'm Callum. I'm Jeffrey.
I'm Krista.
And we're part of the women's basketball analytics team.
Some of the things that we track include 3-point percentage, paint touches, and free throw percentage, as we try to gain an analytical edge in the game of basketball.
Hi, I'm Avi.
Hi, I'm Samil, and we're part of the volleyball analytics team.
Some of the things we do are tracking service speed, aces, steals, and blocks.
Hey, I'm Brett. Hey, I'm Jackson. Hey, I'm Jack. And we are the men's basketball analytics team. A few of the things we track include passes, paint touches, points, and ball reversals every possession. We also take into account an alternate box score, as well as tracking the team's time of possession every possession.
Hi, I'm Zach.
Hi, I'm Emma, and we are part of the men's soccer analytics team.
Some of the things that we've done is make radar charts for the IDPs and visualize the goals in the NCAA tournament.
Hi, my name is Arsh, and I'm part of the women's soccer analytics here. My colleagues and I come to practice, collect stats, and visualize them for coaches to gain insights.
My name is Mason.
Anupam.
Trey.
Devin. Patrick.
And some of the things that we have done, working with the strength and conditioning staff, NIL deals, recruiting, transfer portal, and tendency reports as well.
Hi, I'm Jacob.
Hi, I'm Leo.
Hi, I'm Garrett.
We're part of the softball analytics team.
As part of the softball analytics team, each week we give the coaches scouting reports for the teams they're going up against.
Hello, I'm Jake.
Hi, I'm Smriti.
Hey, I'm Eric.
We're part of the women's lacrosse analytics team.
Some of the things that we do include
Our taking statistics of the women's lacrosse team.
filming games and recording offensive and defensive formation predictions.
We take the data from practices and games and we put it into a Google Sheet and give the data to the coaches.
Hey, my name is Mason. I'm an intern here with the track and field analytics team. Some of the things we do is predictive modeling and test and recovery.